Now then, what I will show you, I'm just going to undo that cast off, is how to start to make a ribbed blanket with using this method. So for the knit stitches, what we've been doing is putting our fingers, diving down through the loops and picking up the yarn and pulling it up through like that. If you wanted to create a ribbed blanket, so you get a different texture of stitch, so you'd have a knit stitch and then a purl stitch, like a couple of rows of each perhaps. Then to do a purl stitch, you actually want to bring your yarn over the top, and you're going to, from underneath, grab hold of that yarn and pull it up through. And as you can see, it creates a little bar across. So we go to the next one, fingers from underneath, collect the yarn from on top and pull it through. Okay, we go to underneath, we collect the yarn that's on the top and pull it through. So you can see that creates a lovely purl, that's called a purl bump in knitting, so that you'll see that there, and you'll collect the next one. And you can do a couple of rows of each, you can do 3 of each. It's nice, you can do sort of 5 or 6 knit and just 2 purl to make a little narrow ridge across your blanket. It's up to you. So you can create a nice effect by alternating these 2 stitches. And there we have it.